Hello, I'm going to mock you today because it's first video in English and I usually speak Russian. It's very difficult for me to speak a foreign language, but I will try my best because I need more subscribers, likes and donations. You know, it's YouTube and this may work. I have two computers from 2004 Bentley Continental on bench. Customers say that engine not start. Customers say that first computer have connected with diagnostic equipment and second doesn't. I don't know where a master computer, where a slave computer. I'll take one of them and this computer connected to DC power supply 30 volts. First pin is ground, third and 21 pin is ignition switch, 62 pin is battery, 62 is battery, power it at full time. Push the power button. Oh, disconnected. Diagnostic pin is 33. Push the power button, ignition switch on. This computer is working. 0.45 amps and ignition switch off 0.37 amps. Switch off. Okay, give me a phone and let's diagnostic to do Bentley Russia menu. Incoming. Without accept. Электроника двигателя. Engine electronics. Input to engine electronics. Yes. Good. This vehicle identification number, software version, памяти БУ, memory of ECU, код мастерской. Ха-ха. Customer code. Okay. Read diagnostic code. Diagnostic trouble code. More. It's working. Okay. Output. Oh. Okay, this computer is working. Give me another computer. Power switch off and reconnected this wiring to another computer. Так, so 21, it's power supply from ignition switch. 63, it's battery power full time. It's red wiring to third pin, and first pin of connector is ground. Power switch off. Batteries on. 0 amps. Ignition switch on. 0.25 amps, and this computer not working. Connect the diagnostic pin. Oh. One moment. I push this and connected this thing to computer and go. Так, Bentley, accept. Wait. Ignition switch on. No, так, without accept. Ignition electronics. Engine electronics. My English. Wait. Not. No. Not working. Not working. Not working. Okay. Ошибка связи. Not connected. Output. Wow. Give my microscope, and I can see. You can see. Wait, one moment. No. Microscope. Yeah. I can see in this place a corrosion. This computer has liquid damage. I solve this pin with 1 kilo ohms resistor for reading this flash, but I can't read. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! This resistor is damaged. This resistor is damaged. It's difficult job. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. I switch on my multimeter. One moment. Connect. Okay, it's good. You see? And this not connected. Not connected. 10 kilo ohms resistor is damaged. In this place, it's not connected. Is damaged. Replace this resistor. Yeah. Oh, using this best of world flux and solder iron. Okay, 1002, it's 10 kilo ohms, and I will find a resistor. Give me some plate. With 10 kilo ohms resistor. Yeah. Is it? Desolder this plate. Where my flux? Here my flux. And desolder this resistors. Good, very good. And it's bigger. Okay. Okay. Make a diagnostic more time. One more time. Whoa. No. 0.25 amps. No, not working. and we need to search for different damaged. It's maybe difficult. Focus, and check this resistor. It's a short. Oh no, not. Yeah. This pin to this pin is short bridge, and this pin, yeah, this kilo ohms. 10 kilo ohms. Speak Russia. And this pin must be, bridge with this pin. No, not. This pin is in this place, must be ground. No. Так, so 4 pins with 6 pin must be bridge, not 8 pin and 10 pin must be bridge. Yes. Let's desolder this IC LM 2901, and we can see what doing bottom this IC. Power is off. It's strong. Oh, I see corrosion. In this place, I see corrosion. So clean this space. Where my pencil? Glass pencil. alcohol and glass pencil. This track is damaged. We need to fix it. Clean. Okay. Oh, more corrosion. Or good or not? Clean this tracker. You can see this space is damaged. Don't worry, it's fixed. Fixable. One fuse wire. Give me a fuse wire. Right caliber. Fuse wire. And I fix it. Solder wire, it's here. I see. Yeah, good. My curve, it's here, and solder this track. Clean up. Inspection to these pins. Good. All pins good. Air for pressure, and clean up this chip. air. Okay, and use a solder mask, green solder mask, UV. Marking in this place. Picasso. Improvisation. From Pablo Picasso. Okay, good. And use then lamp, UV lamp, and switch on 30 seconds. Time off, and solder this chip in her place. Right position. That. More tweezers. I can work with 2 tweezers. Oh no. Use a flux. Best of both flux. It's over. Solder revision. Okay, good. And this. Oh, you can see. It's beautiful result. Pressure. it's good solder. Anything pin solid. Okay. Okay. One more time. Ignition switch on. And no. Whoa! It's working! It's working! 0.45 amps, and it's working. I'm happy. I'm very happy. So no, fuck. One more time. No, no, no. 0.27 amps. No, no, it's not working. Whoa. It's strange. Ignition switch off and the ignition switch on. No, 0.27 amps. It's not working. Oh, my dream is oh my god. I was happy earlier. It's not working. Can I find a problem? Film with me. It's not good. It's not good. Ow. In this place will be ground, not. I need check another ECU. Wait a moment. Yeah. We have 6.4 kilo ohm, and that another ECU, and this we have. Whoa, 91. No. No. Ah. No. What are you doing, блядь? What do you think about this? Huh? Six-pin bridge, half bridge with 8 bridge, and have a ground? No. Oh, my phone is so